So with 2025 being the year of the snake, I decided to buy LEGO Set 80116, Trotting Lantern. But what does that actually get you? Well, it gets you a really beautiful brick-built lantern, which you build in 3 stages. Remove the front panel, then attach one of the 2 silhouette tiles, push down on the centre rod, and watch as the light brick brings the design to life. But wait, there's more. You can also open up the middle section to reveal a hidden area to place and play with 5 minifigures, including the snake costume mascot, which looks great with the others from years past. If you would like to see a more in-depth review, then why not head over to my YouTube channel and check out the full video.